We keep talking about the Selena bus, and finally we pulled it out of the weeds this weekend.
Drive it in the morning.
Yeah, I just don't want to burn Dave. I want to keep him happy because he keeps us happy, you know. So that's it. That's why I'm just calling you.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Okay,
cool.
bye.
I'm on it. Bye.
All right, bye. Alan, did you win the lottery this week?
No, unfortunately.
No. That's why you're here?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to cut out a hole right here to put in skis to slide them through on the inside. Then he's gonna end up putting 2 shelves in here. Go inside. There we go. All right, so we have a Midwest design sold by Luxury Auto here out of Scottsdale, Arizona. They always send us their modifications. This one obviously is brand new, and the gentleman that bought it wants us to, from the backside, which I showed you, he wants to be able to put his skis under here. So we're gonna have to cut out a little hatch here to pop open and a hatch in the back so we can slide his skis in when he's traveling. They want to have another seat for their clients. So basically we're gonna make an insert that pops in here and then a backing that goes here, but they can still utilize the bar on different trips. And then they want to have another insert that pops in here so there can be a little bed kind of layout situation here. But yeah, these are pretty nice vans. Hola.
I do all the metal work, custom stuff. A lot of welding, machining and stuff involved in that. I have it set up for aluminum right now with a push-pull gun. What push-pull means is it pushes from the inside of the machine the soft aluminum wire, and then it pulls it with this drive motor right here. Keeps this soft wire from binding up. Works really good. Makes welding aluminum a lot simpler than even TIG welding.
Lots going on today, isn't there? Front tire blowout on this thing, and his tow vehicle smashed right into the back and destroyed all this. It did a little bit of damage here, but it smashed this whole thing in. You can see it's all bent right here. Okay, so last week they were painting on this or sanding on it, and they finally painted it, and we installed the wrap for the customer. She's all ready to go. The update on the floor. Look, we found some similar flooring, patched it in so we didn't have to do the whole coach for them. Nice and solid, look. Right? Already got the shower prepped in here. Go take a look in the shower. Should have this one done this week. We keep talking about the Selena bus, and finally we pulled it out of the weeds this weekend. Unfortunately, it doesn't air up anymore. I'm not quite sure why, but it doesn't really matter because we're going to be putting a new engine in it. That we're going to put it in with an automatic Allison transmission B500. But yeah, this is the next project. They're going to get started sanding on the outside of it and get the paint done at least while we're working on other stuff here.